So we're going to continue with unit conversions, and previously I talked about converting 72 inches to feet and converting my age 60 into my age in seconds. Instead of 60 years, I'm about 2 billion seconds old. So here's a different kind of conversion, and it's not your standard unit, but it still works. Okay, so here's the example. I have I have 8 yards of fabric, and one banner requires 5 inches of width. And here's the diagram that goes with it. So here's my fabric. It goes on for 8 yards. And then I break it up into 5-inch pieces. Okay, so here we go. So I start with what I know, which is 8 yards. And it looks like I'm going to have to go into inches. So 8 yards I have in 1 yard, look this up in your table, is 36 inches. This is your conversion factor. So now I have converted this into inches, and I want my unit in number of banners. How many banners? So I want one banner requires a 5-inch width. Okay? So that's 8 yards wide, 5 inches for the banner. When you simplify this, it's 8 times 36. By the way, my inches cancel. 8 times 36 over 5, and my answer will be left in banners. Okay, so I'm going to take that on my calculator. This is going to be, just as an estimate, that's about 5 into 36 is 5 into 40. 8 times 8 is 64. I should get about 64 banners, a little bit less. So I'll turn on my calculator, and hopefully you can see this. I'm going to take 8 times 36 and then divide by 5. And I get 57.6. Now at this point you have to decide what you're going to do with the fractions. Oftentimes we round off, but in this case we're not going to round off because I can't have part of a banner, so I'm just going to drop this. This is called truncate. So I'm going to truncate. Therefore, in this case the school can make 57 banners. And there you have it.